So take a look at your iPhone and you'll see this app. Now, you didn't download it, you may not even know it's there, but if you've never taken a look at Apple Shortcuts, you've been wasting a lot of time. Shortcuts is pre-installed on every iPhone. Open it and you'll find hundreds of ready-made automations along with some tools so you can create your own. Look in Gallery just to see what's possible. One of the most useful is an ETA shortcut. Tap it when you're headed home and it will automatically text someone that you're on the way and your estimated time of arrival. You won't have to type or text anything, it's just one tap. Another shortcut I like is called Take a Break. Either tap the button or say, Siri, take a break, and it automatically turns on Do Not Disturb, lowers the brightness, and sets an alarm. Other shortcuts feel like hidden iPhone features. This one starts recording audio, and when you stop talking, it turns that audio into text that you can paste anywhere. It is great for taking notes. No one likes trying to find the button to press to take a selfie. Well, this shortcut snaps a photo whenever you say, Hey Siri, say cheese. And if you need an escape ring to get out of a conversation or maybe a date, this shortcut sets up a fake phone call. Tap the button, and in 5 seconds, you can have a screen image of an incoming call and a ringtone. I'd love to show you how to set that up, but I can't talk right now. Tim Cook's calling me, so I got to go. That's What the Tech. I'm Jamie Tucker.